I am very glad, my dear boys, have learned all the tricks of archery that I taught. Practice them well.
But we know only to aim at an object seen at a distance. You have not yet taught us the art of shooting at an unseen object.
Yes, Shabdhavedi. It is the most skillful trick in archery. Aiming at an object nearly by the sound. You shall learn it by and by. But who comes here?
Great Acharya, Ekalavya, the son of Hiranyadanush, prostrates before you.
Long live my boy. Tanush, is he not the hunter chief of the southern forest?
Yes, Acharya, but he is no more.
Oh, what a pity. A bold hunter. Indeed, you look equally bold. But what brings you here, my boy?
I have increased in my forest, and the hounds have no safety. Cannot bear poor animal troubled by greedy wolves. I must learn archery in order to protect the hounds in the surroundings. Please take me as one of your pupils.
Your thought is indeed noble.
Noble indeed, but Acharya, he is not a prince.
That is true. But I am sure he will prove a worthy pupil.
Acharya, teach me archery now to save my dear hounds.
My woe binds me, my boy. I cannot take as my pupil other than a Kshatriya or a Brahmin. My blessings will go with you. May you prosper.
Your blessings shall be my guide and shall help me to reach my goal. Though I am far away from you, learn archery, your blessings. Great Acharya, how kind you are. You have taught me archery well within these 2 years. I have achieved my goal. Good luck is mine to have you as my guru. Your hounds are now safe. How peacefully they are grazing. Oh, this is not the hole of wolf. The sound is coming near. Have no fear, my dear animals. No dog or wolf shall disturb your peace as long as I live. Oh, quite a big party of hunters. How wicked they are to set their dogs against the innocent animals of the forest. What do I see? My guru with his pupils. Acharya Ekalavya, the son of Hiranyadanush, pays his respects to you.
Arise, my boy. God bless you. What a skill you have in archery in the short range. Your teacher must indeed be great one.
This boy has mastered shooting by detecting the source of sound. It is all the result of your blessings, great Acharya. All the tricks of archery under your kind guidance. Acharya, you promised to make the greatest archer in the world. But here is the boy who excels me, and he says you are his guru.
Now, you know, I have been with you always. It is the devotion of this boy that has made him a good woman.
Whatever it may be, Acharya, you have not kept your words.
Dear Ekalavya, if you say that I am your teacher, I deserve Guru Dakshina. Can you give me your right thumb as Guru
Do
Dakshina?
not accuse the great Acharya. Oh Prince, I cannot bear it. His promise to you shall be kept. My noble master, here is my Guru Dakshina. I request you to accept it and bless me. This forest is now free from wolf and my dear hounds are safe. I have no more need of my bow. Acharya's promise to you is fulfilled. You are the greatest archer as you will not have a competitor in me.
Not a noble soul.
God bless you, my dear boy.